time yesterday, we were looking at a beautiful snowy scene.
Yeah.
Gone already.
Sad. I took a
Yeah.
picture of my son's snow tube just sitting on the lawn. And I was like, winter 22, 23.
That sums it up for a lot of folks.
So far.
Yeah.
And even, the mountains did get some snow, and the best I've heard out of it is it protected them from the rain. I mean, I don't think
That's good because they got a layer first.
Yeah,
and,
so
okay,
it's hard to melt 8 inches of snow very quickly. So that's where we're at. But man, it's mild out there. 52 in Wiscasset, 50 in Portland, down to 49 last check here. And then the mountains are about freezing, but it is raining there, especially all but the very highest terrain, seeing a little freezing drizzle there. So what we have left for snow is Rustic County, basically. Caribou, 29 degrees right now, still seeing snow, a couple of heavy bands actually out there, but that's the exception, obviously not the rule, and most of us will end today with periods of rain, mild temperatures, breezy conditions here and there as well. And then we might be able to get a little late day sun out of this. I don't think it's going to be like a glorious afternoon, but we might see just a little peak of sun later today. After that, we're cloudy tonight. Temperatures pretty flat, right around freezing, closer to 40 degrees along the coastline through much of the first half of tonight. And then tomorrow is just kind of a cloudy day. Could be isolated flurry over down East Maine, as you saw there, but most of us are cloudy. Temperatures right around freezing, so just kind of a typical midwinter day on Saturday. Now, Sunday gets more interesting because we were talking about that storm trying to come back around at some point Sunday night and into Monday. I think this is more of an evening and into Monday event, but you'll notice it's lurking offshore on Sunday. So we've got a mixture of sun and clouds, and then a couple of snow flurries work into down East Maine. And by the evening, we might start to get some snow or sleet into down East Maine as the storm continues to rotate back over Maine, which I think it will do on Monday. So this is a really interesting setup and actually makes more sense than it did originally. If you recall, originally we were going to get today's storm, and then tomorrow the storm was going to come back. And I said, I don't see how that's really going to work out. So now the storm takes a while to come back around, and it does so Sunday night into Monday. But the model's starting to feel better about the fact that by Monday, this storm is back here. But now the question is precipitation type. 9 times out of 10, if a storm is backing in from the ocean, it's going to be snow because there's really no good place for warm air to come from. But no, not this winter. This winter, it's finding a way to advect some warm air. In fact, some models have this almost as a true subtropical system that could be named as such. So there's a little warm air in there. And so what I think the result is for a lot of us here Sunday night and Monday is a lot of sleet, maybe some freezing rain, and some snow mixed in there. So I think this could be pretty messy. I don't know the exact details, but I could see us getting a couple of inches of sleet, unfortunately, on Monday, which is just no one's favorite, and maybe a glazing of ice on top of it. So we will keep an eye on that. I'd like to see another model run so the position is right here, but this day has obviously gone downhill. It's quiet after that. Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures right around 40 degrees, so we will have some thawing going on. We had one of these last year, Brian. I forget the exact date, but we had 4.5 inches of sleet in Portland, which is the most I've seen, and what a pain in the butt. Like that, people couldn't get their driveways clear out.
You can't move that.
It's so hard. So hopefully, but unfortunately, it's either sleet or it's freezing rain. So
those are our options right now.
I'm going to take sleet in that scenario. We'll try to nail that down, maybe get a map for you later today.
But Sunday to Monday looks messy either way.
Yep.
Great. Thanks, Keith.